In this video you can learn about the working of electric car. This is the layout of electric car. Here you are having the lot of components. Here the traction battery as well as DC to DC converter, and then you are having the inverter, and the electric car also having the electric motor, and also the BMS battery management system also connected to the battery, and as well as onboard charger also available to charge the battery, and finally the mechanical power is given to the transmission unit, and as well as regenerative braking system also available in the electric car. So this is the layout of electric car. These are the main components available in the electric car. Here there are lot of major components are available. I listed here the 8 components are the major components. Here the traction battery pack available, and as well as DC to DC converter, and then power inverter, electric motor, thermal management system, transmission unit, onboard charger, charger port. So these all are main components that are available in the electric vehicle. So let's see one by one. First thing is traction battery pack. So here you should know about the battery pack. So battery pack is a set of number of individual cells that are connected in series and a parallel connection. According to the voltage requirement, they are connected in series and a parallel, and as well as number of cells also calculated as per the voltage requirement of a vehicle. So see here, this is the battery pack. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 there are 6 battery cells are connected in the series connection. So you are having the battery pack like this. If you take a two-wheeler, they may use lead acid battery or nickel cadmium battery, as well as lithium ion battery also available, and as well as lithium polymer battery. So these all are battery pack that can be used in the electric vehicle. So according to the voltage requirement, your battery pack will be selected, and the counting of cells are selected as per the requirement. So here this is the power source of electric vehicle. If your electric vehicle runs fully in the electric, means the power source will be the battery pack. In some cases you are having the hybrid electric vehicle, so in that cases battery pack gives some amount of current to run the vehicle for a particular period of time. So here the traction battery pack stores the energy in the form of DC current. Actually in the battery we can store the chemical energy inside the battery. If you connected in the load, the chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy, as well as during the charging condition the electrical energy is converted into chemical energy inside the battery pack. So you should know about the battery pack. So traction battery pack means your electric vehicle runs only the battery pack, that means the electrical. So that is called traction battery pack. So battery pack is a number of cells connected in series and a parallel connection. We will move to the DC to DC converter. So this is a very important parts available in the electric car. So here the traction battery pack delivers a constant power in constant voltage. Here what is power? If you product the voltage with the current, that is a power. So here the battery pack delivers only constant power. You are having a lot of components in the electric vehicle, so every component requires a different power input. So you need to step down the power inside the electric vehicle. So you are having the DC to DC converter. This converter converts DC current into DC current. That means if your component requires only 15 amps, means this DC to DC converter receives the power from the battery about So in some cases 150 amps means it will be reduced to the as per requirement. For example, if your component requires only 50 amps means your DC to DC converter step down your power as per the requirement of that component. So you are having a lot of components inside the electric vehicle. For example, you are having the headlight, and as well as you are having a motor, and as well as wiper also available, wiper motor, and as well as auxiliary systems. You are having the AC and other electric components. So you are having a lot of components. That lot of components requires a different power requirements. So DC to DC converter step down the current, and it gives the input to the particular component. And also your DC to DC converter charge the secondary battery also. In some cases they are having the two battery inside the vehicle. One is used to run the motor, and another one is used to give the power supply to the auxiliary system. So this is a DC to DC converter. And then you are having the power inverter. So here the inverter converts the DC current into AC current, as well as this power converter converts AC current into DC current. So this is the battery pack. Here this battery pack is connected to the inverter. If you want to charge the battery, for example, if you have a lead acid battery means you need to charge. To charge the battery, you should connect into the power inverter. So what is a power inverter? What is the purpose of a power inverter? If you plug in the power inverter in your home, what will happen? This power inverter receives the AC current from the power supply, and it converts DC current and it gives to the battery pack. So the battery will be charged. Okay, so power inverter converts the AC current to the DC current, as well as DC current to the AC current. If you are having regenerative braking system, what will happen in the regenerative braking system? During the regenerative braking system, if you apply the force on your brake pedal, what will happen? Your speed will be decelerated. This decelerated action is converted into the electrical supply. Okay, so this will be happen in the regenerative unit. So this power is given to the electric motor. So here the electric motor generates AC current. That means electric motor acts as a generator during the regenerative braking system. Okay, so for that cases the generator produces only the AC current. That AC current should be given into the inverter. This inverter supplies the DC current to the battery pack. So only your battery will be charged. Okay, so we can give only the DC current as a input to the battery. That is the concept here. And then electric motor. So this is the heart of the electric vehicle. Here the motor is the main component of the electric vehicle. That means this motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electric motor receives the power from the DC to DC converter as per the requirement of the current, and it converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is given to the transmission units. Then only your vehicle moves forward. So here the electric motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. This energy is used to rotate the wheel. There are lot of electric motors are available. Simply we can say two type. One is brushed AC and DC motors, as well as another one is brushless DC motor. Okay, and also switched reluctance motors also available, and also you are having the hub motor system also available. So these are the electric motors available. in the electric vehicle. So here this is the BLDC motor, that means brushless DC motor. This brushless DC motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. There are a Hall sensor available. This Hall effect sensor produces the poles on the winding. Here you are having the permanent magnet also available. Okay, we will move to the next topic, thermal management system. So this is a very important component in the EV system. Here it is the responsible to maintain a temperature of the battery. This is a very important. So you are running the vehicle for a particular time. What will happen? The battery will be heated, so we need to reduce the temperature. So this management system, that means this thermal management system, is responsible to reduce the temperature during the running of the vehicle. So it is controlled by the battery management system. Here the battery management system manages the power produced in the battery. Here if you are charging the battery, what will happen? In some cells will charge quickly, in some cells charge slowly. So this will happen inside the battery management system. This will happen in the battery pack. So the battery management system controls the total battery cells according to the condition of the battery. If you are using battery for a particular time, what will happen? The degradation will be created, and as well as there may be a lack of fastening. So these are the important things that can be maintained by the battery management system, and it controls the temperature when the battery gets high temperature. Okay, and sometimes the battery management system gives the heat to the battery when it is required. Okay, so for a particular battery parameter, your vehicle will be run. Okay, so for a colding condition, your battery parameter will not be properly. So according to your condition, according to your environment condition, the thermal management system also gives the heat to the battery to work properly. So we will move to the next topic, transmission system. So here the transmission system receives the power from the motor and it gives to the wheel, then only your vehicle will move forward. So what are the advantages of the electric vehicle? So that means if you are having the electric car, your power will not be lost more. Okay, so for example, if you are having the IC engine, means you are using only the 30% of work produced by the engine. But in case of electric vehicle, there will not be the loss. That means no energy loss. No energy loss means some energy losses will be available according to the environment. Nearly 97% energy will be used in the electric cars. So this is a very important advantages of the transmission system used in the electric vehicle, because you are having the less parts, you are having no clutch, and you need not to go for the gear change. So these all are the and you are not having the propeller shaft. So so these are the advantages over the IC engine in the electric cars. So next topic will be onboard charger. Here you are having the onboard charger. So what is the function of onboard charger? So here your electric vehicle may have the onboard charger or may not may have the onboard charger. It converts the AC supply received from the charging unit to the DC supply. So onboard charger converts converter, that is AC to DC converter, like a AC to DC converter, your onboard charger will be work. Okay, so it receives the AC supply from the power source and it gives the DC supply to the battery. Okay, so onboard charger is suitable for charging your electric vehicle in your home. So it is located inside the car, and as well as it monitors the various parameters. So what are the various battery parameters? Battery charging and discharge rate, as well as state of health, your battery health, and your battery charging, what are the charging rate. So these all are the battery parameters. What will be the voltage, open circuit voltage and the terminal voltage. So these all are the battery parameters. It monitors, that means onboard charger monitors these parameters, and it also controls the current flowing inside the battery pack. For example, your electric vehicle need to charge your electric vehicle about the 8 hours means what will happen? You are plugging the electric vehicle and you go for some work, and what will happen? This onboard charger cut off the current flowing inside the battery pack when the battery is fully charged. So this is a function of onboard charger. And then charger port. So onboard charger and charger port, from these two components your electric vehicle will have only one. Okay, that means charger port means it receives the power only from the external supply. For example, you need to charge the vehicle and you go for the EV charging station and you are plugging. After that, after the fully charged, what will happen? You come. So here the charger port receives the power supply from the external supply only, and it will not change the current. In that cases, your supplier, your electrical supplier converts the AC current into DC current. After that they will sell. So charger porter is used to charge the battery pack, and it may be located in front of or rear part of your electric car. So these all are components used in the electric car. Okay, thank you.